In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Go into Tab menu and edit it thanks to this pen at the bottom right corner of it. Now scroll all the way down to look for Caffeine shortcut, hold it and drag it to your currently used ones. Place it. Go back by clicking at the top left corner and click on it. As you can see, infinite sleep time is now on. To switch it off, click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!